in beautiful downtown Dallas at the home office today. And you can see the sun rising behind me. It's really a beautiful sight from our office. If you ever get a chance to attend a class here, come early so you can see it. I love the view. But as the sun's coming up, it makes me realize a couple things. And that one of those things is funds availability. We have to have rules around funds availability when it comes to posting our entries. Now, if you know the history of this and you go back to how ACH used to be, it was a real manual process. And so we had that certain PPD credits had to be made available by the opening of business. Studying for the AAP exam, it's important that you understand what that is, and that's 5 p.m. If the file is made available by 5 p.m. the evening before, local time, then they have to post those entries by 9 a.m. or the later of opening a business, or actually, I'm sorry, by opening a business, which is 9 a.m. or when teleservices become available, whichever one is the later of. That's important for the exam. Well, what's also important is keeping up with rules changes. And we got some big rules changes that have just passed with NACHA. And one of those rules changes is going to be affecting funds availability. What exactly is it? What exactly are those rules changes going to affect? Well, if you want to learn more, we've got a webinar that's going to be coming up for you. I'll have details below so that you can learn more about that webinar. If you're studying for the AAP exam, make sure you understand what that PPD credit availability and also what opening a business is, because that's what's going to be on your exam this year. If you're working in operations, you're going to probably need more on those new rules changes, and like I said, details will be below.